Ladies and gentlemen, NIO faces a 5-year delay in autonomous driving technology monetization, pushing bold December incentives amid mixed delivery results. The timeline for monetizing NIO's autonomous driving technology has been significantly delayed, now projected to be at least 5 years away. This announcement comes amid a slew of surprising and aggressive incentive policies rolling out in December, showcasing just how intensely NIO is pushing to drive sales. We'll explore these strategies, but first, let's review the latest delivery numbers for November across NIO and its competitors. XPeng hit a record monthly high with 3,895 vehicles delivered, a remarkable achievement for the brand. Zeekr followed closely with a new record of 27,011 units delivered. NIO, however, reported 20,575 deliveries, reflecting a decline of 401 vehicles compared to the previous month. Breaking these numbers down further, the core NIO brand, which focuses on high-end vehicles, delivered 15,493 units, representing a noticeable drop from October performance. In contrast, Envo, a more affordable sub-brand under NIO, recorded 5,082 deliveries. This brings Envo's cumulative deliveries to over 10,000 vehicles, a milestone worth celebrating. While Envo is trending upwards, NIO's flagship brand is facing challenges, creating a divergence in the delivery trajectory. What's more, Envo CEO has confidently stated that December deliveries will exceed 10,000 vehicles, making this a key metric to watch as the year concludes. NIO's incentive policies for December are unprecedented. These are not just minor tweaks, they represent significant cost absorption to attract new buyers and retain loyalty among existing customers. Let's break them down. Previously, new buyers received only 2 years of free NOP Plus access. But now, NIO is extending this to 5 years. What's more, this applies retroactively to existing NIO owners, meaning anyone who has already purchased a NIO vehicle gets their NOP Plus subscription extended by 5 years at no cost. NOP Plus is NIO's premium autonomous driving package, akin to Tesla's FSD. However, the decision to offer it for free for such an extended period raises questions. Does this reflect a lack of confidence in the system's marketability? Or is it simply an effort to match competitors, many of whom are offering similar features at no cost? It's worth noting that while NIO's hardware is top-notch, some users have expressed dissatisfaction with the software's performance. This disparity between hardware potential and software execution could be influencing this bold promotional move. Regardless, NIO owners are thrilled, with first-generation buyers potentially enjoying up to 15 years of free NOP Plus when purchasing a second-generation model. This promotion represents an escalation from the previous offer of pay for 4 months, get one free. While the incentive is capped at 5 years, equivalent to 15 free months, it is undeniably aggressive. The strategy encourages customers to rent batteries rather than purchase them outright, aligning with NIO's broader push for battery subscription services. Buyers receive up to 20,000 RMB worth of free options, such as vehicle upgrades. Existing NIO owners trading in their vehicles get 20 battery swap vouchers, offering significant value for loyal customers. The ET7's Nappa leather option is now available at a 50% discount. Depending on the model purchased, existing customers can also enjoy direct discounts ranging from 5,000 RMB to 10,000 RMB. For those trading up, there's an extra subsidy of up to 20,000 RMB, depending on the trade-in value. Combine this with a 3,000 RMB subsidy for charging and swapping services, and it's clear that NIO is pulling out all the stops to boost sales. These incentives make it clear that NIO is laser-focused on clearing inventory ahead of the much-anticipated launch of its third-generation vehicles in 2024. While the NT 2.0 platform cars are still competitive, the imminent arrival of Gen 3 models could render these vehicles less desirable. By ramping up promotions now, NIO aims to secure as many sales as possible before customers shift their attention to the next generation. However, the heavy reliance on incentives raises questions about profitability. The decision to offer 5 years of free NOP Plus effectively delays subscription revenue from this service until 2029. Similarly, the aggressive BOS discounts could impact margins in the short term, even if they encourage broader adoption of battery subscriptions. While NIO rolls out its bold incentives, Envo is taking a different approach. With strong demand for its vehicles, Envo is prioritizing a unique test drive promotion strategy to attract potential buyers. Here's how it works. Inviting 2 new customers to test drive an Envo vehicle earns you sunshades or a 58 RMB charging subsidy. If you bring in 5 people, you'll receive an Xbox controller or 188 RMB in subsidies. Getting 10 first-time test drivers earns you a swap station model or 288 RMB in subsidies. Each week, Envo holds a raffle for test drive participants, with 10 winners receiving a branded Envo fridge. These creative promotions not only incentivize existing customers to become brand ambassadors, but also build excitement and visibility around the Envo brand. NIO's December strategy reveals a company fighting to maintain relevance and boost sales in a fiercely competitive market. The dual approach, aggressive incentives for NIO vehicles and innovative marketing for Envo, highlights the company's efforts to adapt to shifting consumer preferences and clear inventory ahead of major product launches. While Envo's upward trajectory is encouraging, the decline in core NIO brand deliveries is concerning. Hopefully, these promotions will reverse that trend. Still, it's essential to consider the long-term implications of these incentives, particularly on revenue and profitability. The 5-year delay in monetizing autonomous driving technology underscores the challenges in this sector, even for companies with cutting-edge hardware. Looking ahead, the success of NIO's strategies will depend on their ability to balance aggressive short-term promotions with sustainable growth. With Envo aiming for record monthly deliveries and the NIO brand striving to regain momentum, December promises to be a pivotal month for the company. Stay tuned as we track these developments closely and bring you updates on how these incentives and strategies play out. As always, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think these promotions are a smart move, or do they indicate deeper challenges for NIO? Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next